Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving like 25 to 30 questions, okay? And take note of everything. All the questions we'll be solving in this video are all your exam questions. Are you getting it? You're expected to answer like 30 questions during the exam. Are you getting it? So if you can attempt at least 15 to 20 questions, you will pass the course. Are you getting the point? So make sure you take note of everything, and when watching the video, make sure you are with your calculator, okay, a book and a pen, okay, so we'll be solving together. I getting it? Make sure you take note of everything, because this is how you will see all the questions in your exam exactly. So please take note. Okay, let's start from the first question. So we are given 81 all over 16. Now this question is under indices. Okay, let's continue. We are given 81 divided by 16 raised to power 3 all over 4. Now, if you come across this type of question, this is what we do. It's very simple. Okay, the first thing to do is to change both the numerator and the denominator to the index form. Are you getting it? So, meaning what number will multiply itself like either 2, 3, or 4 times to give 81. Are you getting it? When we say index form, we are talking about, let's say this is 4, right? And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. So meaning the index form of 4 is what? 2 raised to power 2. That is 2 square, right? 2 square is still the same thing as what? 2 times 2, right? Which is 4. What of 9? The index form of 9 is what? 3 square. Are you getting it? The index form of 27 is what? Is 3 raised to power 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is what? 27. Are you getting it? So ask yourself, what is the index form of 81? 81 is 3 raised to power 4, because when you multiply 3 times 3 times 3 into 4 times, it will give you 81. Are you getting it? So the index form of 81 is what? 3 raised to power 4, right? Then the index form of 16 is 2 raised to power 4. Okay, because when you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times into 4 times is 16. Are you getting it? So we have bracket open and close raised to power 3 all over 4, right? So here we have 3 raised to power 4, and here we have 2 raised to power 4, right? So it's still the same thing as 3 all over 2. Okay, this 3 all over 2 then raised to power 4. Now this 4 is affecting both this up number and the down number, so it's still the same thing. Are you getting it? So multiply by this 3 all over 4. Are you getting it? It's still the same thing. Okay, so let's continue. So we have 3 all over 2. Here we have 4 times 3 all over 4, right? So 4 times 3 is what? Is 12. Then 12 divided by 4 is what? Is 3. So here we have 3 raised to power 3. Okay. Now take note. I said this upper number is affecting both the numerator and the what? The denominator. Are you getting it? So it's still the same thing as 3 raised to power 3 all over 2 raised to power 3. Are you getting it? So 3 raised to power 3 means what? 3 times 3 times into 3 times. Are you getting it? And it's what? It's 27. Then 2 raised to power 3 means what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 times. Are you getting it? And it's what? If you multiply, to give us 8. So this is the answer, 27 all over 8. It's simple, right? Alright, let's move to the next question. Okay, let's solve this second question. We are asked to simplify cube root 8 square. Cube root 8 raised to power 2. Now, this one too is very simple. This is what we do, okay? We have cube root 8 square means what? 8 times 8, right? 8 times 8 is what? 64. 64. So the next step is to write down the index form of 64. Are you getting it? So the index form of 64 is 4 raised to power 3. Are you getting it? 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 means what? 4 times 4 times 4 into 3 times. Are you getting it? It will give us 64. Okay, so we have cube root 4 raised to power 3. So 4 raised to power 3 is the index form of what? 64. And we can write it in this form. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. Okay, if you open the bracket, this outer 3 is affecting this 4. So it's still the same thing as 4 raised to power 3. Are you getting it? Now we have cube root here and we have raised to power 3 here. So since we have 3 and 3 here, okay, this one is cube root and this one is what? Raised to power 3. So this one will cancel out this cube root since we have 3 here. Are you getting it? Supposing there is no 3, this sign is a sign of what? Square root. But since we have 3 here, it is called cube root. Are you getting it? 3 times. Okay, so this raised to power 3. So this power 3 will cancel out this cube root. So we are left with what? 4. This is the answer. It's very simple, right? Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, so this is the third question. Now we are asked, what is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence? We are asked, what is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence? And I believe you guys have been taught this particular topic, right? Arithmetic, AP and GP, right? Now, one thing is, first, try to understand the question, and you will see this question in the exam. Take note of everything I'm solving. Are you getting it? So, what is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence? Now, this is a given formula. We are given the formula already. Are you getting it? So, it's left for us to just substitute to the given formula. Are you getting it? Now, we are given 2n squared minus 1, right? We are asked the sum of the first 4 terms. Are you getting it? What we need to do is, since we are asked the sum of the first 4 terms, you represent, n represent what? Number of terms, right? So let's say, let n be what? 1. Are you getting it? Representing the first term. Okay? So if n is 1, so meaning we substitute it to this given expression. So meaning anywhere we see n in this expression, we what? Impute 1. Are you getting it? So we have 2 multiplied by, we have n squared, so we put 1. We said n is 1. Are you getting it? So we have square here, so raised to power 2 minus 1. Are you getting it? So 2, 1 square means what? 1 times 1, which is 1 minus 1. If you open the bracket, 2 times 1 is what? Is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Are you getting it? This is the first one. Okay. So we are asked the first 4 terms. Are you getting it? Then the second one, let n be 2. Are you getting it? Take note, we are still making use of this expression. Okay. So if n equal to 2, then it will be, okay, it will be 2 bracket open. We have n here, n equal to 2. So we put 2, then we have square raised to power 2 minus 1. Okay, we have 2. 2 square means what? 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 1. If you open the bracket, 2 times 4 is what? Is 8, minus 1 equal to 7. So this is the second one. So let's say n equal to 3. N equal to 3. Are you getting it? Let's substitute. So we have 2, n, that is 3, raised to power 2, right? Minus 1. So we have 2. 3 squared means what? 3 times 3, which is what? 9, minus 1. So open the bracket. 2 times 9 is what? Is 18, minus 1 equal to 17, right? So this is the third one. Okay. Then we are asked the first 4 terms, right? So let n be equal to 4. So we now have, that is 2, 4, square, right? Minus 1. So let's solve it here. So 2. 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16. Minus 1. Open the bracket. 2 times 16 is what? 32. Minus 1. So if we minus, it will give us 31. So this is the what? The fourth one. Now we are asked the sum of the first 4 terms, right? So meaning we now what? Add up all the answers we got. Okay. Now the question is, what is the sum of the first 4 terms, right? The sum, that is addition. So what we need to do is we add all the answers. Are you getting it? So the first answer is 1 plus the second answer is 7 plus the third answer is 17 plus the fourth one is 31. So let's add everything together. Now in the exam, you'll be allowed to enter with a calculator. Are you getting it? So make sure when you are going for the exam, go with a calculator. Are you getting it? Okay. So let's add everything together. That is 1 plus 7, 8 plus 17 plus 31. So the final answer is 56. This is the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence. Are you getting it? So you will see it in the exam. Take note of it. Okay, this is the fourth or fifth question, right? Now, they said find the sum of the first 12 terms of the GP. Now, this one is different from arithmetic progression, okay? They said find the sum of the first 12 terms of the GP. Now, these are the sequence 1, minus 2, 4, minus 8. We are asked to find what? The 12th term, the 12th. Are you getting it? Now, we are having only 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you getting it? So now, we are asked, okay? We are asked the sum of the 12 terms. Are you getting it? So if you are given this type of question and you are asked the sum, are you getting it? The sum, to calculate for the sum under GP, what you need to do is you use a particular formula, and this is the formula to use. Okay, go to A bracket open 1 minus R raised to power n all over 1 minus R, sum of terms in a GP. Now, where A stands for the first term, are you getting it? A stands for the first term, R stands for the common ratio. Are you getting it? R stands for the common ratio, then N stands for the number of terms. Are you getting it? So let's substitute the values to this formula. So now the first term, which is A, is what? 1. This is the first term. This stands for the first term, right? Then R is the common ratio. So the common ratio is what? This divided by this. I getting it? And it's minus 2, right? This is the common ratio, minus 2. Even if you use 4 to divide this minus 2, we still give us what? Minus 2. Minus 8 all over 4 will still give us minus 2. N stands for the number of terms, okay? Number of terms. Are you getting it? So let's substitute, okay? A, that is what? 1, right? Bracket open, we have 1 here, minus R, which is what? The common ratio, which is what? Minus 2. And we have minus here. Are you getting it? So what we need to do is what? Bracket open. R is what? Minus 2. When solving, take note of these signs. Are you getting it? Take note of this sign. Because if you do mistake, you get the wrong answer. So bracket close. Raised to power n. N is the what? Number of terms. Look at it. The sum of the first 12 terms. 12. Are you getting it? Is 12. Bracket close. So all over 1 minus common ratio R minus 2 minus what? 2. Hope you are getting it. Okay, let's continue. So we have 1 bracket open, okay, then 1. So we have minus here, minus Now take note, we have minus 2 raised to power 12, right? So meaning what? We'll be multiplying minus 2, okay, into what? 12 times. Are you getting it? Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 into what? 12 times. Are you getting it? So you can press with me, okay? You can use your calculator. Minus 2 into 12 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I have 4096, 4096 all over. Now here, once you open the bracket, minus times minus is what? Is plus. So we'll have 1 plus 2, which is what? 3, right? Okay, let's continue. So equal to 1, then 1 minus 4096 will give us what? Minus 4095 all over 3. And once you open the bracket, 1 times this will still give us this, right? Will still give us minus 4095 all over 3. Press your calculator, okay? Minus 4095 divided by 3 will give us minus 1365. Will give us minus 1365. So this is the answer. Very simple. Now take note of this formula. I get it. Once you are asked, find the sum of a particular term. I get it. Find the sum of terms in GP, in a GP. I get it. Geometric what? Progression. I get it. So once you are given this type of question, sum of terms in a GP, this is a formula. Okay, A equals A, bracket open, 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r. I get it, where A represents the first term. Now to get your common ratio, make sure you divide this one, the second one, by the first one, or you divide this one. I get it. Anyone you still get the same common ratio. And when solving, take note of these signs. I get it. The thing is, you will see exactly this type of question. I get it. So they might change in numbers, or you will see it exactly in this form. If you are lucky, I get it. So take note. Okay, so this is the next question, and this is a quadratic equation, right? We are given 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 equals 0. You can use many methods to solve this type of questions, right? But all these questions are CBT, like all these questions are what? Objective questions. I get me. So you need at least fast method to get your answer. I get me. You need a very fast method to get your answer so you can move to the next question, because you are working with time. You have a very limited time to solve all these questions. Now, the best, I prefer using the formula method. Are you getting it? With the formula method, you can solve all types of what? Quadratic equation. Are you getting it? So the formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Now with this formula, you can solve this question very fast. Are you getting it? Where a represents the first number, okay? The coefficient of x squared here is 2. Are you getting it? A represents the first one, okay? This one is A, here is B, and here is what? C. Are you getting it? So A is 2, B is 5, then C is minus 12. Are you getting it? It's not 12, it's minus 12. We have minus here. So take note. So let's substitute. So equal to B is what? Is 5, right? And we have minus sign here, so it will be minus 5 plus or minus square root. B is 5, right? So 5, and we have square here, so we square it, okay? Raised to power 2. Then minus 4 multiply by what? A is what? A is 2 multiply by C is minus 12. Are you getting it? So if you don't want to put this bracket sign, you see the same thing, or you can write it in this form, you see the same thing, okay? Minus 12. It's because of the minus sign, that's why we are putting all these bracket signs. I get me. You can write them straight, okay? So all over 2 times A is what? A is 2. Okay, let's continue. So we have minus 5 plus or minus, draw a square root sign. The first one is 5 square, which is what? 5 times 5, 25, right? So the first one is what? 5 square, which is 5 times 5, right? 25. Then now look at this place, we have minus sign here. So once you open this bracket, this minus sign will multiply this one. I get me. So minus times minus is what? To give us plus, okay? So now 4 times 2 times 12. 4 times 2 times 12. 4 times 2 times 12 will give us 96. 96 all over 4. 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so we have minus 5 plus or minus. So 25 plus 96 will give us 121. And square root of 121 is what? Okay, let's do it gradually. Okay, 121 all over 4. Okay, and you know that quadratic equations always come with what? 2 answers. So take note. Okay, so here we have minus 5 plus or minus square root of 121 will give us 11 all over 4. So we'll now have 2 answers. Are you getting it? So the first answer will be minus 5 plus 11 all over 4, or minus 5. The second one is what? Minus 11 all over 4. Now look at it. We have 2 signs here. So the first one, okay, we have minus 5. The first sign is plus. Are you getting it? Plus 11 all over 4. While the second one is minus 5, then we make use of the second sign, minus 11 all over 4. Are you getting it? So take note. Now, press your calculator. Minus 5 plus 11. Okay, let's solve everything here. The first one is what? Minus 5 plus 11 all over 4, right? So minus 5 plus 11 will give us 6 divided by 4. You know, this is the answer, but we can still divide these numbers, right? 2 can go 3, 2 can go here 2. So the first answer is 3 all over 2. I getting it? Then the second one is minus 5 minus 11 all over 4. Minus 5 minus 11 will give us minus 16 all over 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 4, will equal to minus 4. 16 divided by 4 is what? It will give us 4. We have minus sign here, so minus 4. Now these are the 2 answers. Okay, the first answer is 3 all over 2 or minus 4. This is how you will see the equations. Are you getting it? So you will see option A, minus 4 or 3 all over 2. Option B, minus 2 or 4 all over 3, just like that. Are you getting it? So using the formula method, you can easily solve questions under quadratic equation. Okay, so take note of it. Make sure you practice till the exam time. Are you getting it?